Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about git blame command. So what is blame command and when to use blame command? Suppose if you want to check a particular file line by line who made the changes and when they have made the changes, that time we need to use git blame command. Suppose git blame, the command is git blame and file name. My file, let me check what are the files. I have this many files in this repository. It will be tracked only the tracked files, whatever the git it should be tracked, right? That files only the git blame will track. So git blame, suppose let me take 1.sh file. So these are the commit IDs and author and the timestamp and the line. So currently I'm I am the only one user to make all the modifications. Suppose this file have made some other developer some changes and they have committed, right? That time their details also it will be shown. So we can able to use like this. I wanted to see the only mail ID of for this particular file. So that time I am using -e and the file name. Suppose 2.sh file. See, it will get you the email ID and the date and the timestamp and the lines, number of lines it will be displayed here. Same like if I wanted to see author details, means username I need to see. Git blame, yes means author, and I wanted to see the file. Git blame -s. It will get only the commit IDs and the line numbers. Okay. And if I need to see the details, I need to only display the few lines, not all the lines. So that time you need to use git blame -l and 1.sh and line numbers you just need to mention from which line to you need to check. From line number 3 to I need to display 5. So it will be displayed only these lines, whatever the content it should be there from line number 2 to 5. Suppose if I need to check, I need to see the line number 5 plus 3 means it will be displayed from line number 5 to plus 3 means 6, 7, 8. So those only it will be showing. These details it will be showing. I need to see the content of 1 week. Okay. So that time you need to use git blame since I need to check 1 week file name. So 1 week data only it will be displayed. So 1 week data for this file, whatever the changes it should be there, right? It will be displayed that thing only. So same like 1 year depends on your requirement. You can use this blame command. So blame command is used to check when they made modification and the timestamp who made that line particular line of that particular file. It will be helpful. Git blame command. So now one more command I will introduce like git grep command. Grep basically to grep the uh, it is required to grep the it will find us inside the content. So same git grep also. Suppose I need to check one inside my files wherever one is there, right? I need to find out. So grep is used to find out the your changes. So one where in 1.sh the one is available. In 3.sh the one is available. Same like we will use grep command. I need to check only the files. Okay. That time you just need to use with one extension whatever it should be there, right? -l. If you use this one, it will be displayed this thing. So like this we can use grep command. So we have seen blame command and we have seen grep command. So that's all about in this session. Thanks for watching. Bye.